Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City, and I'm excited to say I might be the first one to show you this in person, the new Bay Star with their new interior colors. So I'm excited about the interior, so come on in. It's a 2020 3312. Stepping inside, the smell of new. It's like climbing into a new car. You just want to take it out and drive it around the coast for a while and enjoy it. Look at this beautiful light cabinetry and the two-tone colors on the dash, and the chairs are just gorgeous. And it's, of course, all of the wonderful features of the 2020 Bay Star. Leveling units, the Ford chassis, it's just beautiful. So as you can see in this particular model, the 3312, you've got the very large televator coming up behind one of your couches. They both become sleeping areas. One is a tumble and fold and then click couch. You've got your dinette with the pull-out section that I believe has the inserts to make it longer, and extra chairs. Gorgeous, staying with the two-tone look, not getting too busy, and their window treatments again are very complimentary to what they're doing here. You've got your convection microwave oven, and of course a 3-burner propane stove with the double square stainless steel sinks. Lots and lots of storage in these, and their typical deep drawer space. Your residential refrigerator, stainless steel finishes, and their famous clock on the wall. Just a beautiful unit. Again, a complimentary floor tile, and also this 33 comes with a king-size bed. This will fold up as it comes in. Entertainment center across from the bed, and 2 areas with, I'll show it to you this way, that way the cameraman can see that it's got shelving storage and deep, tall closet space. And in this unit, you also have the corner bath, the porcelain toilet, hard surface counters. It's gorgeous. This little Bay Star, I think, is a hit. I love it. I have lots of customers looking for something that's lighter inside so that they don't feel like they're in a cave on a gloomy day when they're camping, and I think they've got the answer. Let's go take a look at their storage space and the outside. I'll let you get in front of me so that I can actually show you that space. Perfectly all the way in, and large space for setting taller things. Ice chests, freezers. Tons of garage space. So this little 33-footer will carry a lot of your stuff out there if you're going to be gone for months at a time. It makes it very nice to not have to leave a lot of the things that you need at home. A 55,000 or 100 awning generator. More storage that goes all the way through. A little cubby hole, but it is pass through if need be. And on the other side, what you're going to find is all of your working cabinets. In the rear, you've got a lighted backup rear view camera and a ladder for access to the roof. Your battery compartments, your outside showers are all located on the driver's side of the vehicle. Your dump tanks are in the other cabinet underneath the doors. Once you get that set up at your camp space, you open your slide and you shouldn't have to get back in there except for maybe some emergency reason. The other half of your slide-through cabinets And more storage. It's unusual, a lot of times this is the working side and it's not always a storage side. Little tiny storage door and your battery compartment. Propane. This one we ordered in the blue and gray, so this gives you a nice picture of what that sapphire blue looks like. It's a gorgeous unit. I do hope that you'll give me a call and come in and take it for a test drive, and I can show you all the driving features on it and how well it does handle on the road. Again, Teresa, you can reach me at the number or email below, and I look forward to talking with you soon.